Bye bye. Zion. Oh. Busike oye la alaba. Busike ye la alaba na remi. Bye bye yo. Oh. Na imo bye bye. Zion.
We fly.
Oh. Zion.
We fly.
Zion. Yeah, very soon.
If you monitor me, you can move.
No woman alanya now. No.
Hey.
Hello, team.
How the moment?
Oh, congratulations.
Good to see you.
If
you're in Lagos.
I'm Lagos. So,
Chim.
Mom work as simple tabi alarian. My pikin say come Lagos and look around. Come back, hotel come there look around. They look around. I need him now.
No.
So I said, let me come. When he tell me say you dey live for this estate. Mata. I told him I can't give this. Oh eh. You won't give no. Chineke keledi. You know village hotel now. Come like keledi chuku. I say they say you don't marry. I can't say God oh. Nothing is impossible to God to do. Chineke wo metra hancha ofutra hancha na onyechra hancha. So onye nego nwa here mma ekele diri Jehova. Nwunye go no po ele ebe ono. Ma ahukwa na nwunye go wo ụmụ bia ga-ezuru ike this time around. But unu ị ga-ekwe ezike. Ele ebe your wife no pick. Let me see her and greet.
Anyway, no.
Oh my brother.
I'm on my way going out before you came.
Oh, you're about to go out?
Yes.
Oh, nwunye ga no dey ngwa na will come back.
No, she's around.
Okay, really?
Yes, she's around.
Oh.
Honey.
Oh.
Achalugo.
Hey, yeah.
Pino. Come on, my queen. Because
hey.
my pride. Come and see my brother.
Awesome.
Hey, my love.
The ocean.
Oh, Dagu.
Yeah, come and see my brother.
Ele nwunye gị ya pụta dala m kele mi abiko na ihe ama lalo. Ele ahụ ya wonye ole. Where is she from?
She's from Imo State.
Imo State. I think say na Anambra say na Ozoburu marry. Somebody tell me say na for Ozoburu you go marry.
Chief, sorry, don't mind me. She's from Ozoburu.
Oh, because I hear where my brother tell me.
It is because of I'm just carried away. I'm happy that you're here.
Yeah. You better carry that. Lolo, putano, lebe nwunye go wo no.
Oh no, Eba, she's here. Huh? Look at her. My ocean. My queen.
Na because Jehovah I want hotra hancha. Ke a weso dukwa na hancha na hotra. Ele oti ge sha gi iburu ngongo di ote dawa no mulo. Okay, because go and bring your wife come out here ga buru ngongo di ote dawa am nihu. I say go na abra mi ile carton. Bring your wife out make I see pina where you go mad. How can a beautiful boy like you go ejimu arasa trap? Baby, muye. Zion,
we fly, Chief. Lay my wife.
Hello, Tiggy, fly. How can you fly and fetch here? Why you go and bring out your wife? I beg, make I see person where you mad.
Imo, be cool.
I'm not the right person to play with your life.
I told you that this is my queen. But you don't mind.
Hey, where's Cecilia Queen? They waste that name. Not everybody gets that queen. Where your wife, where you marry, Pino, I hear say you go carry Pino. Yamuganga won't go. Elebe, we are gonna go.
Okay, it's enough. Since you never came in a one milk, old tiger generator, what's it get it? I see Mama Yamagoga. Wait, baby, wait, okay, you're going to Maya. You're going to everything.
Hey,
you're going to Maya. So, Oga, like this, no, now. I want the small size Nayabi.
Either.
I want the small size Nayabi. Abi, you just got in and move since without milk. Only make a fat Nayabi. Oga, enough. Leave my compound.
Hey!
Oga, leave my house.
Zion, you met the This
is what you brought to yourself.
If really at all, this kole.
I don't like this.
Oga, leave my house.
Anime, who are cool.
Baby, Oga, leave my house. Which one?
Leave where?
Oga,
Oga,
leave my house.
Which one I go leave now?
Oga, wait, Oga.
My wife say, leave.
Oga.
Gawa.
Which one be say
you overstay your welcome?
Check.
Gawa.
Zion, hold on. Now you marry her, then she marry you.
It's none of your business.
Oga, you no concern.
You no concern, you leave.
Oga, do you want me to push you to carry you up? Choose one.
You dey push men out since you no push man enter your house. How number the guy? Give be problem one takra na manage na Zion. Name na publication. Get. Zion not fly. You put one because Mama, we are going to Makamapa. I know the why you here. Woman, where be there small time. Come on, Makamaka. Now, why you can't carry?
Which aqua?
You be able to sell that.
Which aqua? You get it. You can't come here. Which aqua?
But I think what about coming out to Kenya, even though I can't get down.
Okay, leave you talk. Reach that side. I'm going to cook you. Yes.
Came now,
24 hours.
Came now. Now, but don't work here. Respect yourself.
On our own, go get a broom. Every minute. Why every I got come here now?
In a chop breast or again.
I have no one. Get a blue breast of the world, the good Matana family. What a mess. Because turn a man I go waste my money. Make I go see my brother where married. I'm see I'm gonna go home my brother where one die. You go carry expired drug. Don't know why you brew down a fetch your tech and come do fucking a fucking. What a mess. When I get why I look out here, you can't go get proud of. I can never be proud of her because I'm a money why you about Christmas. Oh, but you Christmas 50. Zion will fly. Come on. Look at you. How are you? Oh. You want them. You want them. What is it? Happy birthday. My name police. I put it to you. So what